In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add academic reference in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable structure for storing a paper, linking its PDF, and recalling it quickly when you're writing. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you keep your notes. We're going to set up a simple home for references so everything stays tidy. Create a new folder and name it Literature. Keeping references in a single folder makes them easy to browse, filter, and back up, and it plays nicely with Obsidian's powerful search. Inside that literature folder, add a new note for the paper you want to capture. Give the note a clear, consistent name. A common pattern is author your short title or simply your citation key. For example, author 20A Deep Learning. Consistency is what matters most. Use the same scheme every time so links and searches are predictable. At the top of the note, type in the citation key. This should match whatever you use in your bibliography manager if you have one, so you don't have to remember two different identifiers. Label it clearly, like citation key, author 20 Deep Learning. This single line becomes your anchor for searching and cross-referencing. Next, add a concise summary. In a few sentences, capture the problem the paper tackles, the core method, and the main findings. If it helps, include one line on why it matters to you or how it connects to your work. Aim for short, scannable paragraphs so you can absorb the gist at a glance without rereading the whole paper. Now, include the PDF. If the file is on your computer, place it somewhere inside your Vault's attachments folder and link to it from the note. You can add a line like PDF, followed by an internal link, or paste a direct web link if you access the paper online. The key is to make opening the full text a single click away. Finally, add tags so this reference shows up wherever you need it. Use a small consistent set such as hashtag literature, the field or topic, and optionally the method or status like #computer vision, #transformers, or #hash to read. Tags help you slice your library by theme without moving files around. That's it. You opened Obsidian, created a literature folder, added a note for your paper, recorded the citation key, wrote a helpful summary, linked the PDF, and finished with clear tags. Save the note and repeat this pattern for each new reference. Over time, this simple structure turns into a searchable, interconnected library that supports fast writing and better recall.